In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the equation of a line in Microsoft Excel. If you've got a set of data and you're looking to analyze trends through a linear equation, Excel's tools make this process surprisingly straightforward. By using Excel's built-in features, you can easily add a trend line to your data and extract the corresponding equation to understand your data better. Let's begin by opening your Microsoft Excel file containing the relevant data and the graph you wish to analyze. If you haven't already created a graph, you'll need to do that first by selecting your data and choosing your preferred chart type. Once your chart is ready, we can dive into adding a trend line. First things first, you'll want to click directly on your graph to ensure it's selected. This is crucial as it allows us to access the additional design options we need. Next, you'll notice a menu option at the top of your screen named Chart Design. Click on this to open a suite of design possibilities for your graph. Once you're inside the Chart Design tab, look for the button that says Add Chart Element. Clicking on this brings up a variety of features you can add to your graph. Now, hover your mouse over to the trend line option. This option is great for showing trends or predicting future values based on your data. As you hover, you'll see several types of trend lines appear. For our purposes today, we want to click on linear. Linear trend lines are ideal for simple linear data sets and provide a clear trend without the complexity of more advanced mathematical models. Now that you've added a linear trend line, the visual representation of your trend should be evident on your chart. The next step is to actually see the equation of this line. Once again, we'll be using the Add Chart Element menu, so click on that as you did before. Hover over trend line again, but this time select more trend line options from the list. This opens a sidebar with additional settings for your trend line. Take a look at the options presented. You'll want to locate the checkbox that says Display Equation on Chart. Check this box, and voila, the equation that defines your trend line appears right there on your graph. This is the equation you can use to describe the relationship between your data points. By visualizing both the trend line and its equation, you're now equipped with a powerful analytical tool right within your Excel spreadsheet. Whether you're using this for scientific research, business analytics, or just exploring data patterns, having the equation at your disposal is invaluable. And that's it. You've successfully found the equation of a line in Microsoft Excel. Feel free to experiment with other trend line types and see the different equations they generate. Happy analyzing!